Find the area of the shaded figure. Now we're talking about area. What is area? It's represented in square units. Now look what they put this little graph here, and they're like, this is 1 unit, this is 1 unit. 1 square unit is literally a square that measures 1 unit around all the way. So one of these little squares is literally 1 square unit. So what is the measure of this guy? Well, how many square units are inside? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But there's another way to tackle this problem if you wanted. The other way to do it is you look at the length of each side, which is, it's 1, 2, 3 singular units. This same side here is also 3 units. Another shortcut to getting that answer is you multiply the length of each side 3 by 3 and you get the same answer, 9 square units. What about this guy? Same thing, we can count them up. We can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Or we could multiply the length here, which is 4, by the length here, which is 4, which will also get us 16. Last but not least, let's count them up. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or again, 2 times 4, which would give us 8.